Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting the pathways that fetch updates. Open Settings, go to General then Software Update and note the version, it matters later. Disable automatic updates, this stops installs. If you see download iOS updates, switch it off. Once done, make sure background app refresh is off and when necessary, turn Wi-Fi off to prevent large downloads. These steps act immediately to halt further automatic update fetching, so you won't be surprised by installs. Next, you remove what's already waiting and stop checks. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage. If an iOS installer appears, delete it to free space and prevent automatic install. Then block update servers, either use a router-level deny rule or set a DNS that filters Apple. COM update endpoints, this prevents over-the-air checks. Make sure your device isn't auto-signing into Apple ID services that prompt updates. Sign out or use manual sign in so prompts are reduced. Finish by keeping the protections in place and knowing one solid fix. Regularly check settings because restores or backups can re-enable automatic updates. You must reapply toggles and DNS or router blocks. If prompts or downloads reappear, reset network settings, reconnect and reapply your DNS or block rules. This clears cached routes. If the problem persists, back up your data, perform a clean restore to a fresh iOS. Then repeat the preventive steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.